here's how I did it. When setting up your office area, the first thing you want is to find your location. You can choose somewhere that is bright, have plug outlets, and close off from distraction. I choose this area in my living room. That is the only available corner that I feel suitable for me that I can work with. You can choose somewhere in your living area, dining area, bedroom, in a closet, wherever you feel. You can use items that you have around the home to decorate. Also, if you have a folding table, so you don't have to go out to do much purchase. So this is the area that I will be using and to transform this area into my own office area. The first thing I started out was creating a border where I can do a painting project. So here I'll be using white paint to paint just a little rectangular that will hang my shelf, and also just to bring a little brightness over this corner as well. I actually gave this 4 coats of paint, and after it is dry, you just remove the painter's tape and then you start to put the items in place, the furniture pieces, and start to decorate. So this white shelf I purchased some time ago. I got it on a sale price. I will be using this shelf to add some little decor, and inside the door section I can store my books and other items. The decks here, my uncle made this decks for me. Actually, the decks was to be in white as well, but when I went to the paint shop, the paint that he wanted to spray the brand paint that he wanted to spray the decks in, it wasn't available in white, so I decided that I will go with gold. I am happy with the gold and it works out in my best interest. Here you see me measuring where I'll be putting my shelf. This is a hula hoop shelf that I made. You can click the link above to see how I made this hula hoop shelf, and then I am hanging it at this area over the table. This is a sign that I purchased. It was broken. I used E6000 glue to glue there between the I and the V, and then I used a gold spray paint to paint it as well. As I mentioned, you can use things around your home. I had this live sign a while now, and I just decided to use it in this space. Also, you can just use a little spray paint on items you have just for it to come alive. These are the ball that I put there, the knotted ball. It was an orange ball. I sprayed it black. That love sign as well was a shiny gold color. I sprayed it white. Next, I will be adding some greenery. This will add a little life to the corner. You can use succulent, live plant, any fake plant, whatever plant you want to use, just to bring a little color and greenery in this location. Pot, I actually got it in a green color. I sprayed the base of it white, and the bottom part where the water would store, I sprayed that in gold. So you can always do those things with your pottery as well. This box was actually a tablet box I had. I found this corkscrew in one of my containers, so I decided to spray the box as well in gold, black, and white. Now this geometric shaped toy, you see me going around with it in different colors. I had it in silver. I decided to spray it in black to use it over my office area as well. Now for this container, I purchased a Rubik's Cube for my daughter, which came into this container. By the next day, it fell and broke into pieces, so she gave me the container, and here am I using it. I put some flower, pink flower that I have, just to bring a little color over this area, and I spray the cover of it in gold, and I will use it with this perfume bottle that I have, a pink perfume bottle, and this gold old watch. So you see, you can bring in things around the home to decorate your office space as well. Now for the next shelf, I will be using these books that I got at a paint shop. I got them in yellow, red, and white. And the other gray and black books are books that I use in a DIY project that I use spray paint and painted those books as well. You can check out that video as well in the description. I have this glass. My friend made it for me as well. She used regular glass with I think it was cement, white cement, and then we sprayed it gold. I used the ball as well that I sprayed to decorate the area. Now this is a tripod stand. It was broken and I sprayed it in gold, and see, you can use trash and just turn it into treasure. And for the lower shelves, I just randomly put some items that I have. I add that whole camera and a picture frame and a candle. I just put those there. And you see, you can just use anything you have just to incorporate there. And now for my workstation, I rest the laptop there to see what I will be working with for this area. I got this little blue cup from a store, and then I just sprayed it gold so I can keep readily pens and other little things like my scissors that I will need. The drawers of this desk also have some containers that I store some pens and markers and other items. This setup board I purchased from a local store in my country. All that matters, it is located in Avondale area, and also if you don't have any local store, you can purchase it online from Amazon, Target, or any other online store. Now this book was a green book as well. It's a things to do book. I wrapped it with a wallpaper that I have just to change the color of it, and I'll be adding it to my area as well. So you see, you can use little things around the home just to recreate and transform your space. Next thing, I will be going in with some greenery again. This will be a floor plant. This plant actually, when I researched it, it helps with your oxygen breathing inside. It's a great house plant. You can research it. I'll try and put the link down below for the plant as well. So the area is coming on greatly, but it is missing two things now. I will then add a trash can, the trash can as well, so that I have everything in one space. This can, I actually had it here and in a pink color, and I just sprayed it in gold as well. And it won't be an office area if I didn't have a chair. Now I purchased this chair from our local store. It's MVP 876 MVP. I will also put that link in the description. You can use chairs around the home that you have, a dining chair. Just have a designated chair for your space. And last but not least, this cushion, I had to add it in the space as well, just for a little backrest as well. And here is the final workspace. Let me know if you love it. Please ensure you comment below if you love the transformation. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you can create a little area in your home to inspire you, to keep you going, and to stay motivated. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it out, like it, subscribe it, so YouTube can see that your girl is working, and it just show a little love and support to your girl. Love you all. See you on the next video.